Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn match case statements. Alright. Now, if you are familiar with other programming languages, then this is similar to what is known as a switch statement. Alright. Now, let me take an example program and explain you how match case statement works. Alright. So what I want to do is write a program that takes number as input from users, and according to the number that they enter, it has to display something. Alright. If the user enters 1, it has to say the day is Sunday. If the user enters 2, then the output should be the day is Monday, and so on. And if the user enters anything else, then it has to say invalid entry. Okay. So this is what I want to do. So let me go here and start writing the program. I will say day is equal to int input and in quotes enter a number. Alright. And now I will write an if statement. I will say if day is equal to 1, then print the day is Sunday. Alright. Now let me run this program and enter 1. And when I do that, I get the day is Sunday as the output. Correct? So let me go ahead and complete this program. Alright, so I have completed the program. Now let me run this. I will enter 4 and it says the day is Wednesday. I will enter 7 and it says Saturday. And now I will enter 987 and it says invalid entry. Alright, so the program is working fine. Now, instead of using multiple if-elif statements, we can have a more readable and cleaner alternative: match case statements. Alright, a match case statement is a cleaner and more readable alternative to multiple if-elif statements. Okay, so let me go ahead and use match case statements. I will modify the same program. Alright, so here I will say match, and what are we matching? We are matching the input of the user with these numbers. Correct? So here I will say day, because this is the input from the user. And next I will have a colon and then hit enter. And now instead of day is equal to 1, I will have case 1. Alright. And then inside case 1, I have print the day is Sunday. Next, instead of elif day 2, I will have case 2, and inside case 2 I will have print the day is Monday. Next, instead of elif day 3, I will have case 3, and inside case 3 I will have this. Next, case 4 and the print statement. Case 5 and the print statement. Case 6 and the print statement, case 7 and the print statement, and here we have an else 2. In match case statement, the else is represented using an underscore. Alright, but before the underscore we need to have the word case. Okay, so this is the modified program. Now when I run this, it asks me to enter a number. I will enter 5 and it says the day is Thursday. I will enter 3 and I get Tuesday. I will enter 70 or 88 and I get invalid entry. Okay, the very same if program can be written like this. This is more readable, correct? We are matching the input with various cases. Okay, when we run the program and when we enter a number, it will start matching from case 1. If the user has entered 1, then this gets matched and so this will be executed and rest of the program will be neglected. But if the user enters 4, then it will start checking from here. This doesn't match, so this will be neglected. This doesn't match, so this will be neglected. This doesn't match, so this will be neglected. And when this matches, this will be executed and the rest of the lines will be skipped. Okay. If the user enters anything other than the cases, then this will be printed out. Alright. So this is how a match case statement works. Okay. Now, I want to modify this program. What I want to do now is, if the user enters the numbers 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, then it has to say it is a weekday. If the user enters 1 or 7, then it has to say it is a weekend. Alright, so let me go ahead and modify this program and explain it to you. Alright, so I have modified the program and I have used the pipe symbol. Okay, the pipe symbol represents OR. So this means 1 or 7 and this means 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Okay, so now when I run the program, it asks me to enter a number, and if I enter 1 or 7, it will print weekend. Okay, but if I enter a number between 2 and 6, then it will print weekday. Okay, if I enter anything else, then it will print invalid entry. Okay, since this is common for all these cases, we can combine the cases using the pipe symbol like this. Alright, so this is simpler than multiple ellipses. Alright, so this is how we use match case statements.